Quality control. Quality assurance is the routine periodic evaluation of ultrasound systems. It's necessary for all ultrasound departments to have a program of quality assurance. But different departments have different programs because depend of the number of ultrasound that the department perform, depend of the machine, depend of the contract, but every department of ultrasound needs a program of quality assurance. Of course, this is performed routinely. Four things are important in the quality assurance program. A different test to evaluate system components, repairs, preventive maintenance, and record keeping. An ultrasound system is only as good as the weak of the component. This is for that we need always to be sure everything is working good. Goals. The first goal that the operation of the equipment is excellent. Detection of the gradual change. Minimization of the downtime. Reduction of non-diagnostic exams and reduction of repeat scans. Medical legal aspects. Quality assurance is legal because everything in medicine is legal, and this is for that quality assurance is mandatory in all ultrasound departments. It's important to know that each transducer of the machine is working good. The quality assurance program cares about all the machine, about all the transducers. And there are 4 devices that let the technician of the sonographer to know if the machine is working good. The first is the IUM 100mm test object. This test object is commercially available and contains a strategy locate pins or nylon fibers. The accuracy and performance characteristic of a system may be evaluated scanning the object. It has a good propagation speed, exactly the same propagation speed as soft tissue. But this system had the same attenuation of soft tissue, and that makes the phantom no good to know if the attenuation are the same. This lack of similarity to soft tissue limits the evaluation of attenuation or grayscale. Other phantom is the tissue equivalent phantom. In the example, you have a one tissue equivalent phantom that is work for mimic the prostate. This commercially available object contains a medium that is similar to soft tissue, have the same propagation speed and have the same attenuation coefficient as soft tissue. This is to study the prostate. It has acoustic velocity of 1.54 meters by second, and the attenuation coefficient is similar to soft tissue. Inside the phantom, exactly like the other, there are structures that mimic cyst, hollow, and other things that are real in the body. This is a useful device in the evaluation of tissue texture image. There are one picture here with a tumor, with microcalcification, with the breast surface. This is a phantom to help in the breast examination. You can see here that there are structures that mimic the structure that we can find in the breast ultrasound. A tissue mimic device is appropriate for assessing image quality for modern-day real-time scanners. These phantoms are very good evaluating multifocal and phased array transducers. The Doppler phantom is a special phantom to evaluate the Doppler function of the machine. This has a pumping that moving a fluid that is similar to the blood, and you must recognize if the velocity in the machine is the same velocity in the phantom. You can have here the schematic picture. A pump moves a liquid similar to the blood, and with the transducer you measure the velocity of this liquid, and you can see if your machine are doing accurate Doppler measures. In addition, there are some stenosis, and you can measure the high velocity and the aliasing in these areas. With these features, the phantom can be used to know the accuracy of the pulsed and continuous wave and also color Doppler systems.